Imagine this. You're talking to ChatGPT and it replies instantly. A self-driving car avoids an accident by itself. But how? The secret behind these mind-blowing technologies is something called AI agents, and they're changing everything. From smart assistants to autonomous robots, AI agents are like digital brains making decisions without human input. But what exactly are they, and how do they work? Let's break it down in less than 3 minutes. An AI agent is like a digital brain that perceives, decides, and acts to achieve a goal. Think of it as a robot, but without the physical body, just pure intelligence. These agents use sensors, like cameras or data inputs, process information, and then take action based on their programming. Some AI agents are reactive, like chatbots, while others can learn and improve over time, like self-driving cars. There are four main types of AI agents. Simple reflex agents, they react instantly to inputs, like a thermostat turning on when it's too cold. Model-based agents, they have memory and can predict future events, like Google Maps suggesting the fastest route. Goal-based agents, these make decisions based on goals, like a chess-playing AI planning its next move. Learning agents, the smartest kind. They adapt and improve, just like ChatGPT learning from interactions. AI agents are everywhere. Your voice assistant, Siri, Alexa, is an AI agent. So is Tesla's autopilot, which makes split-second driving decisions. Even AI in stock trading predicts market trends and makes trades automatically. In short, AI agents are the brains behind automation, making our lives easier, businesses smarter, and even shaping the future. And with AI evolving fast, these agents will only get more powerful. Want to see more AI topics explained? Hit like and subscribe for more.